Video number 12, Protestant Restoration of the Bible, from Golden Pot of Manna Ministry is now available. In this age, in fact, these latter days nearing the very end of this age, we take for granted having the availability of the Bible, both Old and New Testaments. It is not commonly known what the cost of lives and suffering of the true and genuine disciples of Jesus, the Christ, and the Son of the living God, paid, from the beginning of the Protestant movement, for all who will to have this privilege. It is alien to us that a person being caught with a Bible in his possession was a death sentence, often a violent, vile, and cruel death, at the hands of sadistic authorities parading as the keepers of the sacred scriptures. This video, number 12 in the Introduction to Manna Ministry series, is the story of the men in service to God, who obtained the Bible for us English-speaking peoples, and with the Bible the liberty we enjoy here in the USA. Please access this video by the address below. If there is no live link, please copy and paste the address in your browser.